Yewa busia for ye monitor tel mediane hola papa uhumi abetima frame hola papa mejo so enti se ope invitation e dey apply or Schengen visa e dey apply we e-visa to any country in the world enema miensa na was about them about trim whether business meeting conference and say tourist center na wabuki na watuaka. These three entities betimi amount invitation. Now they apply for any visa you want to use or you want to get. Now, without much ado, no, and me see browser way, me use ChatGPT. Enti mo ni ChatGPT and amuni bi ne monkotwe because nkofo na mo yes most of them get more information from here because it makes it more faster, all right, than to using this browser to search one-on-one. What I say. So let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so let's start afresh. New chat. All right, so my ChatGPT. Maybe catch ChatGPT say, give me 10 licensed tourist centers in Armenia that can give me invitation letter to apply for e-visa to Armenia. Alright, so the recording man and about you can choose to type, you can choose to record. So my send it. Next training process it. What I say? Into a process it. Into here, I'm 10. 1 up to 10. Into maybe use Armenia. Into so person won't Spain already. Yes. So person won't Italy already. Fashion ho. So person won't Netherlands already. What the show? So person won't Germany already. Me person me kasa bebrebe. Me person me biebie nneɛma ni so atro. Na de o wadwen no. Wa fa na so pem na wa hunu because nkofo bi ho a obi ade ketewa bi so kyerɛ ma they are good enough to think like more than you. Nti na me ye ne saa. Nti ne yemfa number 1 no. Na fa number 1. I'm interested in website. Yeah, number 1 no. Omo website ni. Nti mako number 1 omo website. Nti wa wani tua omo service ni. All right. Okay. That is languages. Okay, so if you have an apartment in Yerevan, that is the capital of Armenia, hotel in Armenia, group tour. Some doors on with me ako, onkwa with me ako, tour package. Yenhwe tour packages no. Now tour package no ge yenhwe also the airport transfer on before free transfer airport selpa hotel accommodation and some the free cancellation within 48 hours. Wow, what you say group tour. Yeah, so animal we nyina here. What you say? As you can select either one. What I say, if you are on na ako, ubitima select it. Open so ubitima into more of the time. No me ye ni 2. Na ma boka kakra apply. Aha anti oba down ha hwe. Wahum. We start free say 514 USD. Yes, start free for the 2 adults. The minimum they may I am willing to pay this. Alright. But if you are not willing to pay this, I'll bet it sir adult 2 adults no and 1 to pay half of this. On number of days no, you can adjust it to your preferences. What I say on the hotel accommodation, breakfast, a whole lot of reading in a guide in our English or car Russia, airport transfer before free airport. So opa BBBA so scroll down. Yeah no why you fen papa no. And no why you pen 300 and a yin 378 so far one person we move chemienu. What I say into the home person now afa a honey booking on who's section we are yellow or click booking na the here be an obeje or passport no bibiano no I arrangement now we are so send it call confirmation a letter at the amount say confirmation letter no we are obetim the chairman now obetim confirming or ChatGPT wawe say it meets the invitation letter say meet ya bem obetwere Obe search for omo email we omo email or na omo contact. Now I share message among say uhia invitation letter they will send to you. That is it all. Thank you, my crowd.